Hello guys, so today we are going to open these McDonald's toy Space Jam. And first we're going to start up with Marvin the Martian toy. And Space Jam din legacy actually. Open it up. Oops! So this one does, there's like when you see a circle, that means it is the right one, because there's like a square thing over here, like that. Okay, so that square thing or something, you put it in here, and it goes like this. Put it back. So next we're going to open Elmer Fudd. So this one is almost like a basketball. So this one is like setting up first. You're going to put Elmer Fudd here. There. And it's like a basketball court too. Like what I said in Marvin, you can throw the Marvin thing here, and you need to put the hat here. That's what's gonna happen. When you put it here, it's gonna go. Let me get it. It's right here. It's like that, and then like that. It's like that. And then you can go to the hoop too, like this, and keep a score. I'm gonna put Elmer Fudd back now. Okay. We are going to open LeBron James. You see like this thing with moves and then the basketball moves. Moving. So next we are gonna open the Gold Runner. It grows like this. Look at his head, he's like dribbling. Yeah, and his tail is like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna put in the bag. Now I'm gonna open this mini toy. Simple. You just get the ball, spin it around like that, and then if it goes down like this, then it's the win. Okay, like this, and then close. There, like that. That is how it is. These are all of the toys I got here that I opened, and then I'm gonna open the special one later. So. Fifth
Leader of Team Squad.
Yeah, leader of Team Squad.
The leader of Mini
This, it just goes like this. Easy. So cool.
Just like him, but it's bigger.
Yeah. There it is.
Got it all.
So, this one I got from my grandma, and it was so cool. And she worked in McDonald's too. She's the manager of it. That's the end of my video. Please subscribe and like this video. Bye.
And subscribe.
So guys, now friends, this is the end of this video. We opened some of these McDonald's toys that I have, and please subscribe this video and like. Bye bye friends.